बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। मैं आपको अपने चैनल क्रिएटिव आइडिया में वेलकम कहता हूँ। इस चैनल पर आपको जो इन्फॉर्मेशन मिलेगी उसमें कंप्लीट प्रिपरेशन ऑफ एनटीएस टेस्ट, हाउ टू हैंडल एनटीएस टेस्ट एग्ज़ाम्स टिप्स, हाउ टू इम्प्रूव कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स टिप्स, हाउ टू अर्न मनी ऑनलाइन इन पाकिस्तान यूजिंग योर स्किल्स। अगर किसी को भी इस वीडियो मटेरियल के PDF नोट्स चाहिए तो आप हमें इस ईमेल पर अपना मैसेज भेज सकते हैं या सिंपली नीचे कमेंट्स में आप हमें रिक्वेस्ट कर सकते हैं कि टू सेंड यू अ PDF डॉक्यूमेंट। अगर आपने हमारा चैनल क्रिएटिव आइडिया को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो नीचे सब्सक्राइब के बटन पर क्लिक करें ताकि हमारी अपडेट्स आपके पास आती रहें। इस वीडियो का टॉपिक है NTS पाक करंट अफेयर्स MCQs विद आंसर्स। मैंने कोशिश की है कि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा करंट इवेंट्स ऑफ 2019 to 2020 इस वीडियो में इंक्लूड करूँ। Due to which militant group Iran threatened Pakistan that they would hit bases of militant inside Pakistan? ISIS, Lashkar-e-Taiba, Jaish-e-Adl, Tehreek-e-Taliban Pakistan. The correct answer is C, Jaish-e-Adl. How many members Joint Investigation Team JIT formed by Supreme Court? 4 members team, 6 members team, 7 members team, none of these. The correct answer is B, 6 members team. Name the head of Joint Investigation Team JIT to probe Panama case. Wajid Zia FIA, Brigadier Mohammad Noman Saeed ISI, Brigadier Kamran Khurshid MI, Irfan Naheem Mangi NAB. The correct answer is A, Wajid Zia FIA. Who is the current IG of Islamabad Police? Ahmed Khan, Amir Zulfikar Khan, Tahir Masood Yassin, Sikandar Hayat. The correct answer is B, Amir Zulfikar Khan. Who is the current IG of Punjab Police? Mushtaq Sukhera, Shoaib Dastagir, Arif Nawaz, Amin Venus. The correct answer is B, Shoaib Dastagir. Al-Qaeda leader Osama bin Laden was killed by US Special Forces during raid in Abbottabad on 2nd May 2010, 3rd May 2010, 2nd May 2011, 3rd May 2011. The correct answer is C, 2nd May 2011. Who is the current IG of Sindh Police? Kaleem Imam, Ghulam Haider Jamali, Nasir Khan Durrani, Shahid Nadeem Baloch. The correct answer is A, Kaleem Imam. The projected budget deficit for the financial year 20 to 21 is estimated as Rs-billion. 437, 1437, 2437, 3437. The correct answer is D, 3437. According to federal government, Pakistan suffered loss of Rs-billions country's GDP for the financial year 2020 because of coronavirus. 1300, 2300, 3300, 4300. The correct answer is C, 3300. Pakistan's current year GDP growth rate financial year 2020 is recorded as -1.38%, -0.38%, 0.38%, 1.38%. The correct answer is B, -0.38%. The current policy rate by State Bank of Pakistan is 8.5%, 8.0%, 7.5%, 7.0%. The correct answer is B, 8.0%. Who is the current chairman of PAMRA? Firdaus Ashiq Ewan, Fawad Chaudhry, Absar Alam, Salim Beg. The correct answer is D, Salim Beg. PAMRA stands for Pakistan Electronic Medium Regulatory Authority, Pakistan Electronic Media Regulatory Authority, Print and Electronic Media Regulatory Authority, and Electronic Medium Regulatory Authority. The correct answer is B, Pakistan Electronic Media Regulatory Authority. Recently, through which constitutional amendment Federal Administrative Tribal Area FATA were merged with Khyber Pakhtunkhwa? 22nd, 23rd, 24th, 25th. The correct answer is D, 25th Amendment. The 25th Amendment was enacted into law on 31st May 2017, 2018, 2019, 2020. The correct answer is B, 2018. The 26th Amendment to the Constitution of Pakistan was passed by National Assembly of Pakistan on 13 May 2017, 2018, 2019, 2020. The correct answer is C, 2019. National Assembly of Pakistan passed the Pakistan Army Amendment Act 2020 on 3rd January 2020, 5th January 2020, 7th January 2020, 9th January 2020. The correct answer is C, 7th January 2020. Who is the current chairman of FBR? Qamar Zaman Chaudhry, Justice Retired Javed Iqbal, Shahbaz Zaidi, Nisar Muhammad Khan. The correct answer is C, Shahbaz Zaidi. General election 2018 were held in Pakistan on 15 July 2018, 20th July 2018, 25th July 2018, none of these. The correct answer is C, 25th July 2018. Pakistan on 5th May 2020 formally applied dash for debt relief. United Nations, NATO, SAARC, G20. The correct answer is D, G20. IMF on 17 April 2020 approved Pakistan's request for an emergency loan of $1.4 billion, $1.8 billion, $2.2 billion, $2.6 billion. The correct answer is A, $1.4 billion.